So I already talked to you about plugging in a microphone which is connected via the XLR cable. There's another type of connection for guitar, piano, bass that uses a 1/4-inch headphone cable or instrument cable. So this may come straight out of their guitar or into a line out of an instrument or something. So if you have that instrument cable, you're going to have to plug it into something you call a direct box, which basically converts the instrument cable end of a wire to, if I can plug it in, well, forget it. It'll convert the instrument cable to, goodness gracious, an XLR cable. And so you see on this direct box, it's taking in the instrument cable on one end and the XLR on the other. And that's essentially all it's doing, it's just converting those two types of wires. So when this cable runs, it can just run and plug in to all of these XLR cables right here. So it's basically the same as a microphone now. So that's the other type of input that you might have to deal with on stage.